and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back. I have a unboxing for you guys from QVC. This is a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So I went ahead and already started cutting the box open, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. I think I see my information on top, so let me grab that out first. Yep. All right, so this is how it came boxed. Okay. And it is upside down, so let me move the box out of the way. This kind of reminds me of the vintage Dooney bags. So I went on the site, and of course they were out of this in the Florentine, so I had to get it in Pebble. This is going to be the Dooney and Bourke Pebble Green Leather Ellie Crossbody bag, and it is in the color black. Ooh, and it came with a dust bag, y'all. I love a bag that comes with a dust bag. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up close. Hopefully you guys can read that on there, hopefully. It's not blurry. If it is, sorry, guys. All right, so here's the dust bag. And this is how it came wrapped. I'm hoping this is not like a return because it still has the wrapping on the handle. But this is in Pebble Green leather. Like I said, the color is in black. I love the trim on here. I love this beautiful tan color on the trim. It does have two front pockets that are snap. So that is the two front pockets here. And then in the inside, it has that beautiful red lining. It does have the zipper compartment in the back. It doesn't have a slip pocket, but it does have the zipper compartment right here in the back. So here you go. That is the zipper compartment. It does come with the registration card in the inside. It has the Dooney leather patch on that back zipper wall. And then on the front wall, it does have your slip pocket here in the front. And then you also get your key hook as well too. Now this bag does not come with the detachable scrap, but it is adjustable. And I am keeping this bag, so I will be taking this off. Okay. So, and I believe this is the 3-part scrap. Is this the 3-part? Maybe not. Hold on. I don't want to get to lying. Yeah, actually it is. So that is the middle part. And you can take that out. And you can reattach it and make this a shoulder bag. And that was one of the reasons why I absolutely love this, because I can turn this into a shoulder bag, or you can wear a crossbody. On the back of the bag, it does have another large slip pocket, which is big enough to fit your cell phone in as well too. The bag does not come with any feet. And then this is the tag that comes with the bag. So it just tells you the name. Okay. And I purchased this bag, guys, for... Did I purchase this regular price? I think I did. Or they had like a sale. I think this was on sale. I thought it was going to be on my receipt, but I don't see the price on the receipt. But I will insert the price somewhere on the screen for you guys to let you know how much I got it for. And if this bag is still on QVC site, I will definitely leave the link down below so that you guys can purchase this bag if you're interested. Now, I will say this, that they had low quantity on the black, and I think they had like 3 colors or 4 colors still available. They had, I think, red, the black, and I think it was like the tan or the caramel color was what was left. And the other color was already sold out. And yeah, the other color was already sold out, but those 3 colors they did still have available. I was debating between the black, the red, and the caramel, but I end up going with the black just to be on the safe side, and I'm glad that I did. So yeah, absolutely love this bag. It is so pretty. It does have the Dooney and Bourke gold plate on the front as well too. So if you guys are interested in picking up the Ellie, definitely go check this out on QVC. They don't have this bag on the Dooney.com site anymore. It's already sold out. It was in Florentine, and that's the actual one that I wanted, was the Florentine one, because the Florentine one looks a little bit bigger on the site. I could be wrong, but I will leave the dimensions somewhere on the screen as well too for this particular bag. But yeah, I absolutely love the look of this bag. I will definitely be wearing this in the summertime for when we go on our little vacations and stuff too. So super cute bag, y'all. So excited to have this in my collection. And I'm going to play around with this bag, and who knows, I may end up getting the red one as well too if they still have that one available, because yeah, this bag is actually really beautiful in person. I love that white stitching that they have going around the entire bag, even on the crossbody scrap as well too. Just gorgeous. So yeah, I'm so glad that I was able to get my hand on this. If I can get the vintage one of this, I'll definitely do that as well too, because I have been on the hunt for that as well. So yeah, this is the Dooney and Bourke Ellie crossbody in the color black, and the leather is pebble grain. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today. And if you guys are new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this video. And until the next time, guys, make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.